Let's learn how to send crypto with Binance ID on Binance application. I will show you this tutorial on PC with Binance application, but method is very easy and similar, so you can follow up with any other device. So let us start by opening our application. To send, we will have to go to pay sections. To do that, we will have to go to wallet and then click on funding section, that's last. This will open a new window. Click these three dots that's near transfer and then click on pay. New dashboard will appear. From here you will have to click on this send yellow button because we will not receive, we will send by Binance ID. Then click on Binance ID here. If you don't know what Binance ID is, you can check here, and basically that's the ID that sits under your email or username when you check your profile page. So you will here copy and paste Binance ID of person you want to send, then click on continue. It will open new page. You will select which coin you want to send to him, amount of money, amount of coin you want to send, and you can write him an optional message. Then you will have to click on submit and you're done. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.